Video will be very, very quick. It's just to answer a very common question that people ask me. Did I prefer seeing clients face-to-face or over Zoom? And which one is more important? Which one has the best success rate? Zoom every time, guys, okay? Regardless of seeing clients face-to-face, you always have the issues of them driving to your sessions, showing up to an unfamiliar environment, running late, nowhere to park the car, blah, 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 all the excuses that come with it. Over Zoom, you're comfortable, they're comfortable. And you can do just as good a therapy, if not more better therapy, because you are comfortable and they are too, using Zoom or something like Skype as well. And we all know that if you use something like ACH and you have your testing and tasking time and what we call sleep tasking, you can essentially tell your client at the end of the session, hey, go have a nap for 20 minutes, go have a nap for half an hour. We know this is 100% unconscious processing that can happen then. But if they've got to drive home, you're a little bit responsible if something goes wrong. You know, always, when I did see clients face-to-face, I always worried about that trip home. I was always worried, are they completely out of trance? I was always worried, what happens if they get into an accident and they blame me? And that caused a lot of headaches for me as well. So I preferred Zoom, I always did, and having a client be in a very comfortable environment. You got to think about it as well. Your client's more likely to open up unconsciously, which is the most important part, if they're somewhere familiar and somewhere comfortable. If you're a complete stranger and they show up to maybe an office that they didn't quite think was what they had in their head, it's a little bit more strange to them or a little bit unfamiliar, their guard goes up, their resistance goes up, maybe they just don't feel good in that environment, and it causes a lot of unconscious issues. So would I prefer face-to-face or Zoom, guys? Zoom every single time.